In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use double moving average in TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this indicator in the app, so you can start exploring how it fits into your analysis. A double moving average uses two moving averages together to help you quickly see when momentum may be shifting, such as when a faster line crosses a slower one. It doesn't predict the future, but it can make trends easier to read at a glance. First, open the TradingView app on your phone. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so everything looks and works as expected. Having a chart open and a stable data connection will make the next step smoother. Next, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Charts. This takes you to the main workspace where you'll see price action, timeframes, and drawing tools. If the screen looks busy, don't worry, you only need a couple of icons for this walkthrough. Now, find the small graph icon at the bottom. This opens indicators, metrics, and strategies. Think of this as your toolbox for technical analysis. Inside, you'll see a search bar at the top and categories below. This panel is where all TradingView indicators live, from built-ins to custom scripts. In the search bar, type double moving average. As you type, results will filter in, making it quick to pinpoint what you need. You'll see the indicator appear in the list with a short description and in many cases a preview or category label so you can confirm it's the right one. Take a moment to read the brief summary so you understand what it's designed to do on your chart. That's all there is to finding it. To recap, open TradingView Mobile, go to Charts, tap the graph icon to open indicators, then type double moving average into the search bar. From here, you can familiarize yourself with its purpose and consider how it might complement your trading plan. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. Comfort with the platform is what makes your analysis faster and more confident.